Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to get Delta Executor Mobile in 2025. Now, this method will work on both Android or iOS, but for the iOS, there are two extra steps that you'll have to make. Now, here in my case, I'm using my Android, so now I will open the browser, and after that, I will search for itwigged.com. It will open this window or this page right here. You can simply search for Delta Executor in this search bar right here. Or when you scroll down, you will find here Delta Executor, and it's available for iOS, iPhone, Android, etc. You just have to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you just have to click on Start Now in order to download. But if you have an iPhone, you will have to do extra 2 steps before you click on Start Now for the download. You will have to go to the settings of your iPhone and navigate to background app refresh, and make sure that you have the background app refresh in the third option, Wi-Fi and cellular data. You can search for background app refresh in the settings. When you go to your mobile settings, let's consider that I'm having an iPhone. You just have to open the settings, then search here for background app refresh. Just search for it and it will pop out like so. The second thing, or the second step that you should actually do before downloading, you should go and turn off the low battery mode, but this is only when you have an iPhone. So you will have to search for the battery, then search for low battery mode, and make sure that you have this option toggled off. And after that, you can simply go back and click on Start Now, and the application will be ready to download. And make sure to give the permission to Google or any browser that you are using to download applications and install it. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.